could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me.
Colera.
U denkt, misschien is het tijd voor iets nieuws. Wij kopen auto's.be. Ontdek hoeveel uw auto nog waard is.
Welcome back to my channel. Pinay, Bisaya, and Belgium. Kita we have your hands.
Taxeer uw auto nu bij wij kopen auto's.be.
Vandaag zal ik wild dieren fotograferen. Maar vandaag leef ik gewoon in het moment.
Welcome back to the Pinay who tried to talk Bisaya in Belgium.
Ontvang in juni tot 7000 euro voordeel op onze stokhouders.
Next time you have to be included to my video too.
No.
You know, you are
Partner.
You are part of my life already. No, coming. Ha ha ha.
Should I be love will cry now?
Yep. Okay. How close are we to putting this thing in the car? Pretty good, but I thought you said this was a limited matching car. It is. The car was built on the 9th of March '64, and this motor was built
How?
just before that. In should be late February, early March. You read that.
The hell is that?
February 30th, 1964.
Where did you buy this avocado? It looks fresh.
That is.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, but I search. I feel
Yeah?
one by one.
Not that I've ever seen.
Am I?
I look for the color and I feel one by one.
I'm a little bit lucky then.
Swap the chassis up
No.
over the next day.
You lucky.
No.
What then? No.
It's a March
I feel one by one. I try them all until I found one that I think,
The-
hey, this is a good one.
10 days before the car was produced.
So it means it's
Not
still
lucky,
the
yeah.
right
It
But
one.
they don't match anything.
means I know something about avocados
I've never had a numbers matching engine quite
already.
like this.
Just this time.
Already.
Something fly away?
Every time I bring good one.
Never offered with automatic transmission. Do you have any idea what that means?
You were the one who brought.
Can I put it here?
Yeah. You're the one who brought the brown ones a few times.
No, because I also
I look for the color, very dark.
I feel the, and then normally I always take it the hard one.
Yeah. I know.
But after all, it will become soft. So because
Yeah.
I think they put it that one in the refrigerator or in the something.
No,
in a
I will
cook.
explain to you later.
How come?
If you take the hard one and you do something with it, it gets the soft one. It's nothing to do with the refrigerator.
I'm in my video,
That's why.
right?
So people can have a little bit laugh in your video. Bit humor. Katul.
There is already something, a famous vlogger. Someone who put a comment there is also a subscriber. She was married with a very old man, and she's a very young one. She's from England. And the one who subscribed her, who put a comment, she said, "Low, L-O-W, low, low, low. Lolo is grandfather to us. So she insulted her. She said, low, low, low." No, really, because it's not nice also to look. It's like she's only a grandchild from him. Really, a very, very young one.
You tell me.
A plate?
Over top of a plate.
Why the hell would they do that?
Don't know.
It's supposed to be floor.
Pretty crazy.
Conceive of it. At some point, somebody wanted to block it. They put an automatic transmission in it.
Yeah.
And then they sealed it up. And then somebody else comes along and turns it back to